This is the Peugeot e-208, and as you may have guessed from the name, it's electric. But it's a very important electric car, you see, as this brings battery power to a well-known popular model like the 208. I have to say, this is one of the best looking electric cars in its class. It's stylish, elegant, but still has a sort of chunky look to it. And on top of that, it has a great interior as well, which is great news because this car will cost you about £29,000 and it's got a lot of competition. When it comes to electric cars, then charging is the main selling point for most people. The Peugeot e-208 can deliver up to 100 miles with just a 20-minute charge at a rapid public charging point. It will take about 7.5 hours to charge with a normal charger at your house, with a range of up to 217 miles. As for the motor itself, it produces about 136 brake horsepower. On the outside then, it's pretty much identical to the normal 208. You would be forgiven if you got them easily confused. You have the same sort of styling here with the 3 front main headlights and the daytime running lights that run along the bottom there. The only thing being different is of course the badge here, which is a different color to show you that it's in fact electric. You also get another badge around the back and on the side as well. At the back then, like I said, it's the same sort of styling as well. You have this black bar which runs along the whole rear of the car here, the spaced out Peugeot lettering, this black sporty looking spoiler on the top, and of course this badge here to show you that it is in fact an electric vehicle. This interior then is a really big selling point. It really does look great in here. You have these really nice materials on the side here and along the dashboard up here as well. There's a real wow factor to this car when you get inside here. Even on the entry level trims, you get rear parking sensors, cruise control and automatic headlights. It's really got you covered then when it comes to the tech side of things. The infotainment system is pretty impressive as well. It doesn't lag like some other cars do, and it's very simple to use. You also get these really nice digital dials in the driver's display, which have a 3D sort of look to them. It's pretty much identical to the normal 208. It's all quite simple to use and a very nice place to be in. When it comes to the driving side of things, Peugeot know exactly what they are doing. A nice comfortable seat with a solid driving position, with a steering wheel that actually seems smaller than other cars but fits in your hands very nicely. I kind of wish more cars did this. It's actually quite refreshing rather than having a massive chunky steering wheel right in front of your face. The car drives really nicely. The engineers at Peugeot have perfected the suspension settings on the e-208 and you can really tell that all that hard work has paid off. The car glides over any differences in the road and makes for a very smooth and peaceful drive. On top of that, as it's obviously an electric car, you have no engine noise, so the cabin is a very quiet and nice place to be in. You would have no issues, I'm sure, daily driving this car to work. And on top of that, because of the way everything is laid out, you feel as if you have a lot of space inside here, despite it being a smaller car on the outside. You can stick the car in sport mode, which sharpens up the throttle response and the steering, which alongside the smaller steering wheel makes it very nimble around corners. With the visibility being great as well, it all adds up and it makes the car seem very sporty, which really is something that its competitors lack. The e-208 then is a good balance between fun, nimble, practical, comfortable and easy to drive. For more information regarding the e-208 or any other cars for that matter, visit our website today. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and thank you for watching.